What's up, guys? It's Monday. Shop looks like a tornado went through it. I didn't get any before footage of this really. I got some pictures on my Facebook page. This is a 68 Chevy we're working on. Just a basic paint job. Just deleted all the trim off of it. Didn't come out too bad. A little bit of problems with the clear. Been talking with Adam Nifton quite a bit about, trying to find a good medium grade clear. I don't think they exist. It's either high dollar clear or nothing. It's been longer buffing them out than they're worth. This didn't come out too terrible. Got pretty damn straight for an old farm truck. It's actually gotta be delivered tomorrow, and yeah, it ain't gonna make it. Gotta detail out the whole engine compartment still and finish buffing this fender. Got a pinstripe this side. Still a shitload of work to do. Monte Carlo we got in the other day. That one's going forest green metallic, white stripes. Well, I haven't touched chevelle since last time I talked to you. We've got the Mustang in here now. And we actually got a hood and a front clip that fit. This one actually bolts on. It's not just like glue on job. I mean, you gotta glue it right through here, but there's actual bolts all the way through here. It's got the headlight buckets already in it. Not like this cheap piece of shit. That was the first one we got that didn't work. See them chunks laying over there. Yes, got a front bumper, a good hood. You actually use the hood springs with this hood. The other one we couldn't. It was about an inch too big for the car. So next week we should be able to get on this and pretty much get it all in primer and ready to be blocked out and fixed all the little stuff. We got the roof all welded up right the way it should be. All the interior has been ordered. Waiting for some little pieces to come in. I think what else came in this week? Trailer Park Dream Trans Am. Got another 70 Chevelle SS, big block car. I haven't quite tore into this one yet. I know it needs, new rear wheel tubs, lower quarters. Have to see what's hiding underneath the paint on the rest of it. All down the tops of the fenders is all pretty. You kind of see the light there. They're all pretty beat up from the elbows, working on the motor. So we'll be starting that week. I'll try to get more footage on that one and try and get it start to finish. But yeah, we've been busy the last month. Hasn't got time to get a lot of footage, so there it is. Well, it's 10 o'clock. I'm tired. I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Everybody have a good Christmas.